I'm Yusuf, Maryland of Maldicore, and in this week's branding session, we'll explore simple, actionable ways to make your brand stand out. Today, we're tackling something we know many of you struggle with: how to define your unique value proposition, or UVP. Now, by the end of this video, you'll not only know what a UVP is, but you'll also have a clear roadmap to create your own so you can finally stand out in that crowded market and connect with the people who matter most, your customers. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get into it. Why is a UVP so important? All right, let's start with the big question. Why does your business need a UVP? Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're scrolling through social media or walking through a market. You see ad after ad, stall after stall, all selling similar things. How do you decide where to stop, who to buy from? Most people will say, I choose what grabs my attention. But what really makes you stop is clarity. When a business shows in one simple message why they're the right choice for you, it feels like they're speaking directly to you. That's the power of a UVP. A clear UVP does three things. It cuts through the noise. When everyone's shouting, your UVP is the whisper that gets heard. It builds trust. People want to know what they're getting, and a UVP delivers that clarity. It drives growth. The more specific and targeted your UVP, the easier it is to attract your ideal customers. Without a UVP, you're just another face in the crowd. But with one, you become unforgettable. What is a UVP? Let's break this down. A UVP, or unique value proposition, is a clear statement that explains three things: what you do, who you do it for, why you're different. It's not just about what you sell, it's about the value you bring into people's lives. Let's take an example. Imagine you run a boutique hotel. A generic UVP might sound like, we offer comfortable rooms. But does that really stand out? Now compare it to this. We create unforgettable, affordable escapes for budget travelers who want comfort and adventure. See the difference? This version is personal, is targeted, and it speaks directly to the audience's needs. Another great example is Slack. Their UVP: be more productive at work with less effort. Notice how they're not talking about features like message threads or integrations. They're focusing on the outcome. That's what makes a UVP powerful. It connects with what people actually care about. How to create your UVP? All right, so how do you create your own UVP? Let me walk you through a simple process. Step one, understand your audience. This is the foundation. You can't create a UVP if you don't know who you're speaking to. Ask yourself, who are my customers? What do they need? What frustrates them the most? Let's say you're running a skincare brand. Maybe your audience is people with sensitive skin who are tired of products that cause irritation. Write that down. Be as specific as possible. Step two, define the problem you solve. What's the specific pain point your product or service addresses? Maybe you save people time, or help them save money, or make something complicated feel simple. For example, if you run a meal delivery service, the problem might be busy professionals don't have time to cook but still want healthy, delicious meals. That's the problem you solve. Step three, highlight your unique difference. What makes you different from everyone else? Is it your process, your experience, or something about your brand's values? Think about what you do that no one else can. For example, a boutique travel agency might focus on personalized itineraries crafted by locals. That's a unique angle, and it's what makes you memorable. Step four, focus on benefits, not features. Here's a golden rule. Customers don't care about features, they care about results. Don't just say, we offer 24/7 customer support. Say, we're here for you whenever you need us so you can travel stress-free. Focus on the transformation you provide. Step five, write it down. Combine everything into one clear, concise statement. Here's a formula to use. We help target audience achieve specific result by what makes you unique. For example, we help busy professionals feel strong and confident by combining high-energy workouts with mental wellness coaching. Take your time with this. Don't rush it. The Onliness Statement. Now let's go a step further. I want to share something we do at Maldicore, the Onliness Statement. This is a sharper, more focused version of your UVP. It positions you as the go-to option in your space. Here's the formula. Marty Neumeyer, in his book Zag, provides a simple formula for crafting an Onliness statement. Your brand is the only category that benefit or reason to believe. Examples: Airbnb. Airbnb is the only travel platform that lets you belong anywhere with authentic local stays. Maldicore. Maldicore is the only branding agency that helps businesses grow globally with tailored culture-conscious strategies. See how clear and specific these are? They make you unforgettable. How to use your UVP? Once you've created your UVP or Onliness statement, how do you use it? You integrate it into everything you do. Put it front and center on your website. Use it in your social media bios. Mention it in your ads, emails, and sales pitches. The key is consistency. Every time someone interacts with your brand, they should immediately understand what you stand for and what you offer. And remember, your UVP isn't just a statement, it's a promise. You need to deliver on it every single day. Examples of great UVPs. Let's look at some UVPs that truly stand out. Dollar Shave Club, a great shave for a few bucks a month. Warby Parker, eyewear you can feel good about. Tropical Dot Trips, affordable tropical getaways that make unforgettable memories. Each of these is simple, clear, and focused on the customer. Tips for crafting a strong Onliness statement. Be specific. Avoid generic statements. Narrow down your category and benefit from something unique. Focus on your audience. Your Onliness statement should address your customers' needs and desires. Keep it simple. Use clear, jargon-free language that anyone can understand. Test it out. Share your statement with others. Does it make sense? Does it differentiate you? Back it up. Your Onliness statement must be credible. If you claim something unique, make sure your business delivers on that promise. Why an Onliness statement matters. It clearly communicates your unique value. It gives your team focus and direction. It differentiates you from competitors. It resonates with your audience, making your brand memorable. All right, here's our challenge to you. Take some time today to think about your UVP. What makes you different? What value do you bring to your audience? When you define your UVP clearly, you don't just stand out, you connect. And that connection is what drives real growth. If you found this session helpful, hit subscribe and leave a comment below with your UVP. I'd love to hear it and give you feedback. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs help standing out. I'll see you next week for another branding session. Until then, take care and keep building something extraordinary.